Welcome to this channel. This is our first and brand new build 1997 Toyota Landcruiser. This channel name is Build to Last. Okay, we have a 1997 Toyota Landcruiser and we are about to build this to make it perfect. It's a good car already, but we're going to make it perfect. So like you can see, this vehicle has been in an accident and it's a rollover, so there's a lot of damage, and we're gonna knock those out and make sure we build it in a way that I like, and the way you guys that follow us going to like. We already have ARB front bumper, like you can see, and this thing is a beast. And we have a 12,000 pound winch already on this, and this vehicle already lift with all-man EMU suspension lift, and this is going to be epic. Alright, we're going to give you a walk around and to show you all the goodies we already have in this vehicle and things that we're going to add to make it perfect. So first of all, like you already see, we have a front bumper ARB, nice 4x4 accessory from Australia. That's one of the best in the market. And we already have a 12,000 pound ZXR winch, front winch. Unfortunately, we don't have a synthetic steel rope, but I don't know, maybe we can upgrade to a synthetic one, we don't know. So this vehicle comes with all-man EMU suspension lift. I don't know, we can upgrade it something better, we're not sure, but let us know in the comments below which suspension you would like us to upgrade this vehicle. But we already have a 3-inch suspension lift on it. And let's go to the damages. What do you think? So the damages in these vehicles are, we have a broken mirror over here and a bunch of dents and scratch all over the place. Our moonroof or sunroof is gone, and we put this plastic bag to protect it from rain and everything like that. We're going to get a brand new one, and like you can see, we're going to upgrade to a nice 35-inch tires. So those tires going to be gone soon. And let's go to the rear. So we have rear damages over there, and things that we're gonna focus on, and also we have other damages in the top over here. So things that we're gonna pop up and focus on and make sure we paint this, make it looks good. And we probably going to upgrade to a rear bumper. Rear bumper is very expensive, guys. You know about it. So we don't know yet. It's expensive rear bumper. We're trying to build this vehicle on a budget. So let us know what you think. We got all the damages over here. I'm not sure if you guys see over here already. We got damages over there. So we got the rear damage there. So things that it's not too bad. We can put those in a few minutes. So this is not the major damage. The major damage on this vehicle, like you can see, is the roof, and then the other side we're going to need a windshield. So interior of the vehicle is pretty nice, so it's not that bad. So we can see the interior damage. So basically we need to address the damage of the driver's seat. So the vehicle, the battery is dead. Unfortunately, we won't be able to give you a startup. But the vehicle has 240,000 miles on it, and the engine is pristine. You should take the engine. Go. All right, we're going to address the driver's seat. Like you can see, the driver's seat is kind of like crazy, but like any other Landcruiser in the market, 1997, you're always gonna have damage on the seat. The leather seat is horrible, but this is not that bad. But this one going to need some love. And then you can see the passenger is not that bad, but hey, gonna need some love. The vehicle has 240,000 miles on it, 241,000 miles on it, and for a Landcruiser, this is nothing. Like you can see, those Landcruiser can go over 1 million miles without anything at all. So basically, this is going to be a great build in our channel. And remember, this is the build to last, and we're gonna build this vehicle in a way that you guys going to love it. Gentlemen, this engine is pristine, bueno, nice. I mean, come on, for 1997, this engine is leakless. Can I say leakless? There's no leak whatsoever on this engine. It's clean. Whoever owned that vehicle, take good care of this vehicle. Listen, the engine is like a bueno. Okay, like the only little leak that we have is on the front differential down there. There's a little leak, and that we need to address. But once look at this engine. When we look at this engine is great. So basically, there's nothing we're gonna do based on the engine, except we might add just for booster, we might add a turbo or TRD supercharge on it. If we need more power, that's the only thing we might do. TRD supercharge in there, and this build gonna be a peak. In order to move this vehicle around, we need to adjust this flat tire. So let's start with this flat tire. There we go.